Yeah?
Yeah. Wouldn't mind trying them
I don't have a good set of goggles yet. I just run off like a monitor or my phone in like VR goggles, which is bad for latency.
Yeah.
I just can't get into spending like $700 on goggles.
But then once you use them, I put them on, like I got Savages and I put them on my cars, I got nitro boats, I put them on the boats. Yeah. Once you have them, you put on everything. Anything that's RC, you want to put it on.
That's true, yeah.
It's so good.
Take the GT for a spin?
Yeah. It's got significantly more jam than the last time you drove it. It gets to a point where he's just uncontrollable at high RPM.
Yeah, and any steering angle, it's like kicking out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to, like, without spinning out.
I know. That's the way. It's the problem now is traction.
Wow. Top end.
Top end is fantastic. I know. Oh, there she goes.
So much RPM.
It's got too much top end, but I put that's with 5700 kV, which can't really remember. Oh, yeah, worst part about on road, right there. Touch the grass, you're done.